What's up, everybody? My name is Victor, and welcome to my channel. So we all know how powerful SEO marketing can really be. So if you're a small business owner or a marketer, and you're really looking to gain more customers or more leads online through SEO, definitely in the right place. So on this channel, I'm going to provide you with actionable steps, hacks, and systems that are not only going to get you leads, but also increase your revenue. So SEO is no joke. Why? Because SEO is a part of organic search marketing, which usually pairs well with a strong business website and backend strategies that drive the highest return on investment to this very day, even in 2025 and beyond. So trust me, I've failed countless times and learned my lesson on the way, so you don't have to. I'm here to share everything I possibly know. So I feel old when I say this, but I have over 9 years of experience in the SEO world. I've learned the hard way by overcomplicating SEO and website work, following the wrong advice, and also wasting thousands of dollars on shiny objects that are literally just distracting. And most importantly, I wasted a bunch of my own time. So the good news is I'm here to tell you it does not need to be so difficult. My mindset is to keep things simple and using proven systems and also up-to-date hacks that actually drive results. And they have for my own agency, Rise Marketing. As I always say, never take shortcuts. Always build a proper foundation right from the start and have your ideal customer in mind. So that said, hit the like button, comment, and subscribe to the channel today. And if you want to work one-on-one with me, contact me anytime.